Is your computer running out of storage, but you're not sure what's actually filling up your disk? Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a simple Windows application called Hard Disk, along with a Windows 11 widget that lets you monitor your storage in real time. No complicated menus. No digging through folders. Just clean, simple disk information right on your desktop. Let's jump in. When the Hard Disk application opens, you'll see a brief overview of your local storage. However, you can customize this panel to show more detailed information. To do this, click on the Options button. This will open the full screen options window. Under the Storage section, you can choose from up to 4 different styles. The default option is Show only your main storage, but let's change it to Show color summary of your storage usage. Now you'll see a colorful overview of how much storage is used for your music, videos, and photos. The gray color in the progress bar shows how much space is still free. Let's go back and enable the radio button, Show detailed summary of storage usage. Now you'll see more detailed information, including the number of songs on your computer, as well as the number of videos, pictures, and documents. Go back and choose the last option, Show the list of all storages. With this option, you'll see a list of all your connected storage devices, including your network storage. It's a handy way to get an overview of your available storage space. Color. Hard Disk can also be customized with your preferred text and background colors. If you open the settings page again, you'll see the Colors section. Here you can choose the System Theme option. Or select Custom Theme. With this option, you can choose your own favorite colors from the color palette, such as a custom green color or a rose color for the background of the Hard Disk application window. Windows Widget. You can add your storage information also as widget in the Windows 11 widget board. To do this, click on the weather icon in your taskbar to open the Windows 11 widget board. Then click the large plus Add Widgets button. Next, select Hard Disk from the list and click the blue Add Widget button. There isn't just one Windows 11 widget. Below, you'll see radio buttons that let you choose from several different widgets you can add. Let's add all of them. Next is color usage. Then there's an overview of all storage disks. After that, you have the detailed usage of your current storage. The last one is a graph that shows the current read and write activity over time. Below the graph, you can see the read speed, write speed, and the average response time. This also works well with both light and dark mode appearances. So, I'll open the settings page and switch my Windows 11 appearance to dark mode. Then, when I reopen the Windows 11 widget board, you'll see that all the widgets now have this beautiful dark user interface. You can also customize the widget size by clicking on the 3-dot icon and choosing small, medium, or large. That is it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more app content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.